This tutorial will introduce you how to create a hemisphere green shelter as a resting space with 4 entrances. First thing is to be sure you install Invert MCG tool on your 3D Max. Then we start. First, go to Standard Primitives, create a plane with length segments 15 and width segment 15 here. And choose the whole plane and go to Polygon Modeling and go to Topology, choose the Skin Topology. And then choose the whole plane, go to Edit Poly, and go to Edit Polygons to inside the polygons. And then go to Modifier List to delete mesh. And then go to Modifier List to choose Invert MCG. Then we get the basic form of this object. We can change the Y parameters and the radius to change the form. And then go to Standard, choose Dummy as another object to change the form. You can see it's no difference here because we didn't connect them. Then we go back to Invert MCG, choose Use Gizmo node and choose Dummy as the node. Then we move the dummy. We can see the shelter structure will follow dummy to change. And then we give the shelter some thickness. We use JIAO to increase the thickness. Add another Edit Poly modifier and create your hard edges. Go to Edges Properties to increase the crease. This time I choose to include the 4 edges at the point of the opening. This will give the subdivided model a sharper look. Then add an open subdiv modifier with 2 or 3 iterations. And after subdivision, the bottom border of the shelter will be thin to support. So I will extrude the border polygons. Since we have maintained a parametric workflow with modifier, we can go back to any modifier and still make changes. To adjust the shelter structure thickness. And also, the Invert MCG modifier is still editable as well. Then I will change the material into glass, change basic parameters, adjust diffuse color, reflect color, and refract color. Then open rendering. We can see a glass shelter with 4 entrances.